to do that though?
If they give you a wound, then you have to do it.
There's not a wound on.
I was telling him to put a band-aid on.
Or edema.
Okay, I mean,
Well, edema you could also
Give me a
do
scalpel.
ankle pump, right?
I'll debride it.
to breathe.
Or only HV. Oh, that's for DVT. We used something for edema.
Is that one of the snakes?
So,
Yeah.
is just if you're doing DVT, is it the same process as if you were doing range of motion?
Yeah, because you can just go back and
You have
forth.
to
Back
set
and
two channels up and alternate.
What do you want? Plug it in?
For like large vessel edema. Jimmy.
Yeah.
Large vessel edema, can't you do it?
Say again?
Large vessel edema, can't you do it? Yeah.
Let me just show you HVPC just so you know.
Got it.
Got it? Okay. HVPC.
But you really record this one.
Yeah, it's already recorded.
HVPC. If we use HVPC, what's the purpose? Edema or wound? If it's wound, what's the charge on the wound?
Positive.
I put the positive electrode on the wound. Okay? Negative for edema. Okay. Electrotherapy. Plug it in first. Actually, let me just set it. Okay. High volts. Okay. Look on here. Subacute edema, HVPC. So, edit. Polarity. That's where you change it, right? Depending on if it's wound or edema. So, what are we going to say?
Wound.
Wound. So, what is that?
Positive.
Yes. Okay. I was just thinking. Okay. Edema. Do we want sweep on?
Yes. Why not?
Yeah. Why?
Frequency.
Why do we not? Why do we ever not want sweep on?
When wouldn't we want on?
Yeah. I think
Never.
I would just keep it on the whole time because it decreases tolerance or it decreases the chance of tolerance.
Okay.
Okay.
Subacute
Frequency.
or chronic?
It's gonna be acute edema.
35.
100. So that's fine.
Okay.
100 and 120 frequency.
Okay.
Ramp, keep it at 2 seconds. Same thing, okay? Display volts, continuous. That's it. You really don't have to change anything.
What's the treatment time? 20 minutes?
Oh, 30 minutes.
30 minutes. The electrodes on this plug in here.
Sensory symptom vent. Wait.
They look like.
Is there a
Wait,
red and a
Jimmy.
black?
Yes.
Where did you get? Were you
Wait,
for
I
frequency?
don't know how many I have. Yeah.
I thought we
Justin,
No one ever usually
want to
does.
hold that up?
And then you're putting the red, this is the positive, yeah? Over the wound. Why do you have
because this one's prevent edema, and this one is
There we go.
management of edema.
Oh, 20 to 80. Look right here. So, okay, here's a good
them in the
question.
same column.
If
I know.
you're using HVPC and you're using this one, the subacute or chronic edema management, she put the frequency in the wrong place. So it's 20 to 80 frequency. PPS.
God,
Okay?
unacceptable.
Right here.
For edema?
PPS should be here. This 20 to 80 should be over here. If we're using this for chronic, then you change this to 80.
For chronic
negative pattern?
edema.
Chronic, right here. Chronic edema.
Oh,
Use
okay.
20 to 80 frequency.
What if it's acute edema?
Acute edema.
Sorry, Peter, I'm holding
Okay.
that here.
Same as,
Same as wound.
Do you put
And you put that just straight on the wounds?
Where does the other
on
pack?
the,
Where does the symbols? Where does the other pack go? That's not.
so let's say I wounded I wounded here, right? I have dressing over it. I want to put this on the dressing.
So positive.
Positive. Okay. Oh, that's a good point.
Yeah, red is
The red, no, the red changes.
Oh.
What is that?
Okay. Pay attention.
Wait,
this is
Jimmy, can
important.
you use these since this goes in this machine?
Yes, 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 yes. Yes, 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 yes. Thank you for reminding me. Okay, so red. Red is the one that you want to use.
Okay.
Red is this. Polarity is positive. So it changes depending on what you set. Red is the one that you look at.
So always use red.
Okay.
Always use red.
Okay.
Okay?
Wait, what if we had put polarity negative?
Use red.
Use red and then it
Red
changes.
is
So
it determines
red is
this
polarity.
determines the red.
Okay.
Red is the good one. Always use.
Just for this. So if you're doing wound, polarity positive, red into the electrode over wounds. If
Okay.
you're doing edema,
Let me just
negative.
Let me just repeat it one more time, okay? If you're using HVPC, you're gonna change the polarity on the machine, right? Positive or negative? that determines the polarity of this red. Okay? It's not the same as ionto. Okay? So, now you want HVDC?
Yes, I don't.
Okay, so wounds right here, put it straight on the wound. The other one goes either distal or proximal, far away from it. Okay? Green is ground, so don't use green.
Okay, so red and black.
Okay?
Plug the green one.
Red, you're not
So
dead.
this was for edema, correct?
What's up?
No, just red.
This was for
red is
edema,
good.
right?
Okay.
Are we, is there a case on here for like denervated muscle? Are we gonna get that?
No, you don't do it. Okay, what's next?